Hello everyone! If your WordPress forms are failing to send emails, don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through a few troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. First, you will need to navigate to the email settings in your form plugin. Make sure the recipient email is correct and check for typos. WordPress emails may not work without an SMTP configuration. Install the WP Mail SMTP plugin and configure it with your email provider's details, such as SMTP, server, and port. Use the SMTP plugin to send a test email. If the test is successful, your issue should be resolved. Now, if it fails, double-check your SMTP settings. Sometimes emails may end up in the spam folder, so make sure to whitelist your domain in the recipient's email account. And that is how you fix WordPress form email issues. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.